off?
No, tomorrow.
The Papa
Because your mom is not home.
and Papa can drop me off.
Tomorrow, Papa's gonna drop you off, okay? You guys gonna sleep here.
Mommy in.
Huh?
Oh, mommy in.
Mommy went somewhere.
Where?
I don't know where she went. Okay, guys. Tomorrow, Papa will drop you
I
off.
will stay with you, Mama.
You stay with Mama tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mama have dental appointment tomorrow. Okay, guys?
Papa,
Juliana, what are you doing? You picking your nose?
Papa, mommy not here.
Yeah, Mommy not here.
Because mommy not here in my house. But that why I'm not.
Mommy's not your house.
I will be warm in
Yeah.
my house now.
We're supposed to be watching Beauty and the Beast tonight, today.
Mom, I
But
will
we're
be
just gonna do it
warm
probably
in my house.
on Tuesday, okay?
Mom, I will be alone in my house.
Yeah.
I will be alone in my house.
So what?
I will be alone in my house.
You gonna be alone at your house?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just might as well stay at Mama, right?
Mama, who will stay with me in my house?
Huh?
Who will stay with me in my house, Mama?
Nobody. That's why it's better if you stay here with Mama. Right, Ate JB?
What? Mama, what did Mommy? Oh, yeah. Mommy, what did Mommy go?
Mommy is working.
Yeah. I just said Mommy will come back.
Mm-hmm.